These are 10 things in my skincare formulation lab that make my life easier, save time and money, and I like them. Feel free to adopt or adapt anything that might serve you. This first one can help save money, time, eyedroppers, and ingredients. It is something I consider a must-do for my most used ingredients that are weighed out drop by drop. Swap out the solid default cap on ingredient bottles for a turret cap or some other type of lid that'll let you dispense the ingredient drop by drop. Suppliers often sell the bottles they package their ingredients in, so it's easy to add some better caps to your cart before you place your order. Whether you have a dedicated making space or you work out of your kitchen, this next tip will save you lots of running around. Grab a mid-sized plastic tub at a thrift shop and put it to work. If you work out of your kitchen and store your ingredients in another room, use the tub to carry your ingredients to and from the kitchen. If you have a dedicated making space without a sink, use the tub for your formulating dishes. It's easy to carry them into the kitchen to wash them and then carry them back once they're clean. Reduce tripping hazards by zip tying a power bar to the table you work on if you're working on a table rather than an at-the-wall counter or bench top. This reduces the number of cords snaking across your floor, and now you can easily plug in your scales, immersion blenders, and more. And you can kill the power to everything with the flick of a switch if need be. For easy access and quick visual inventory, I store my glassware and camera gear in some second-hand IKEA CD towers. You can often get these really cheap as nobody really has big CD collections anymore. When I moved, the young men with the moving company thought that these were like really weird bookshelves. If you're tight on space, drawers are the best way to store little ingredients. I keep my micas and pigments in this drawer unit, and I've organized them into a rainbow drawer by drawer. Essential oils and fragrance oils can also be great in drawers, but you'll need to make one adjustment so you aren't just randomly grabbing bottles when you're looking for a particular fragrance. Pick up a roll of wee round blank stickers and use them to label the lids of the bottles so you can easily survey your collection from above. Bonus points for color coding the bottles by type of scent. Mine are mostly just color coded by essential oil versus fragrance oil-ish. I like these smaller plastic drawer units for ingredients that come in wee bags, like gums and dry vitamins. You can often find these at thrift shops, so always take a turn down the home storage goods aisle. Speaking of wee bags of ingredients, reduce dishes by double bagging the ingredients you use the most often and then store a small spoon in that outer bag that's just for use with that ingredient. And voila! Designated scooping spoon. On the topic of spoons, hit up rummage sales and build a collection of seriously random spoons. I know I am substantially more particular about spoons than most people are, but it's honestly really nice to have a variety of spoon sizes and shapes to choose from for different formulating tasks. And who cares if they don't match? To help you keep track of different phases and batches, I highly recommend spatulas in a variety of colors. If you can't easily get spatulas with different colored blades, try adding a bit of variation to the handles with some colored tape. These are my absolute favorite spatulas, and you can learn more about them and other essential pieces of formulating equipment in this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I would love to hear about some of your favorite lab tips and tricks in the comments below. See you next time.